Hi, babies. Hi, sweeties. Here you go, baby.
Come here. You way in the back.
You way in the back. Come here. Here you go, sweetheart.
Look, they come with a baby. See the tiny one? See right there.
They're all, yeah, the 3 of them are little.
Are they eating carrots?
Here you go, baby. Here
I saw
you go.
one eat a carrot. I didn't see any more carrot. There's a carrot over there.
And here. There you go.
Oops. Hit her on the head.
Oh.
You smelled that apple. You found it.
Boing.
Oh.
The bird go bad. Okay, let's not knock this off though. Here, it's back here. Come on.
There you go,
Babe. What? I don't think they like the carrots, honey. Maybe they can't eat those.
Here you go.
Don't hit him, baby.
Okay, I'll turn this. That's your big star.
Oh.
Ah! I didn't hit it. I ain't not hitting it.
Alright, throw something else.
Oh, he's feeding him blueberries now. He wants to feed him blueberries. Let me feed some. Let me feed some.
Come here, sweeties. Yummy blueberries. Blueberries. Mm-hmm. She said, yeah, give me more of those.
There you go.
Okay. Just tell them moisture. You'll have to wash your hands later.
Ew.
Okay? You'll wash your hands later.
Ew, ew, ew. Don't wash it now. That's what you're thinking.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Guys, it's cold. They're cold.
They love blueberries.
Yeah, they do.
I don't blame them. I love blueberries, too. Psst, psst, psst. Bub. Okay, that's enough video.